What have I done?
You're fulfilling your destiny, Anakin. Become my apprentice. Learn to use the dark side of the Force.
Just help me save Padme's life. I can't live without her.
If we work together, I know we can discover the secret.
I pledge myself. Love won't save you, Padme. Only my new powers can do that.
At what cost? You're a good person. Don't do this.
I won't lose you the way I lost my mother. I am becoming more powerful than any Jedi has ever dreamed of.
Stop! Stop now! Come back! I love you!
Liar! You're with him! You brought him here to kill me!
No!
Let her go, Anakin! Let her go! You will not take her from me!
Your anger and your lust for power have already done that.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
Only a Sith deals in absolutes.